Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So another video, another hats unboxing. I really like to refresh my hats rotation from time to time, and I've decided to buy more. The price on average per hat was about 23 euros, which is very low. And I have strapbacks, snapbacks and some velcro straps. Also, I really hate fitted hats. Let's get right into it. I have a huge box right here and I'm going to use my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife. You might have noticed, if you are a subscriber, if you watched my videos, there's a bit of a change right here with the display. Let's carefully get into this box. So first I have this Quicksilver trucker snapback. This is a bit crushed. I've also said it before, hats should be shipped in a box, cardboard box, not in a bag, because they get crushed. Of course, I'm going to remove all the labels. So moving right along, this is a Tommy Hilfiger. I'm really into Tommy Hilfiger products. I don't know what color this is. What is this? I had to turn on another light so I can see the colors better. What color is this? Brownish rust orange colorway. With the discreet embroidery on the front. Really nice. Again, don't worry, I'm going to remove all the labels after I'm done with the video. So moving right along, if you are a subscriber of the channel, if you watched my videos, you know I'm into Von Dutch. Check this out. It is a bit pink. I really like it. Nice embroidery. Very nicely made trucker hat. Let's see how it fits. All right. I really like it. Now, what do you think about this colorway? Let me know. Huh? Come on, you can wear pink. And let's continue with another Von Dutch hat. A simple, summery black and white trucker hat. Black on the back. Let's see how this fits. Okay. This is another Quicksilver hat. I really wanted an orange hat for a long time. This looks a bit orange. Sure, why not? Simple orange hat. Okay. This is a Hugo velcro strap. So the final two hats are actually Puma hats, and I hate Puma, so I'm going to do something about that. I have a bit of an obsession for Ferrari. I really like the brand, the cars of course. Some pinstripes there, Scuderia Ferrari on the back. Very nice logo, a rubbery logo on the front. Very nice, thick, plasticky material. Let's see how this fits. All right. And finally, the last hat right here. It's another Ferrari hat. Okay, so this is my favorite hat. Very nicely made, of course. I mean, you wouldn't expect nothing else from a Ferrari branded product. I absolutely love this. Of course, my new favorite hat for sure. That is kind of the end of the video. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know how many hats you have. And that's it. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.